Mamod.
Where's hold on, Ivan? Shh. Where you say?
Oh, you're in a business, so.
What kind of business have me in?
It's same business that we are talking about now.
I
It's same
I
business.
created you. Yeah,
Wow.
anyway,
Wow. I am too.
you remember, just remember good. So we never go along in our business. We never go along in our business. Me could talk facts. Anyway, listen. We never go along in our business. Me could talk facts. Anyway, the pan TikTok is I created you.
Yeah. You create something so fabulous.
Tiki, we not be sarcastic. We're not being sarcastic. We're not being sarcastic.
So wait, no. So wait, no.
You're so dumb for what me say.
So true, you bring me come party.
We're not gonna listen. We're not gonna argue. We're not gonna argue.
We're not argue. We're not gonna argue. You bring me come party.
Say we start to argue. Me gonna move. Cause me not gonna trace some of the pan that. I said that. Listen, I created you. Give him my flowers. You talk about so fabulous. Not be fantastic.
Sandy, thank you.
You created me, so that's why everything. So wait, no. So you created me. You're in everything with me. You're in my relationship.
Every blood clotting. And when you rest minds.
Me never in a relationship business.
You know everything. No, you forgot?
I never in a relationship business yet.
You have a relationship, Tiki?
What half did one?
That is not because
me and you are your
you don't have no relationship because if somebody never call the phone last night and tell you say try the phone go get the boy and you and the police and the boy with a base footstep. That is not a relationship.
So Rosalie, you feel like Trevor and Tikki?
Mark, I prank when I prank the internet.
Rosalie, you think Trevor and Tikki?
Well, I'm going to tell you what me honestly feel. You're a person can be doing stuff. It's a point where I say, keep it off the media. From you say, from the man I got to say, from the man I got to look at you tell you, say, me I talk to one, me not talk to you to tell you out loud. Barney me I talk to, just remember. From me Barney me I talk to, me not talk to the viewers neither. Barney me and your woman, we I talk to one boy, we like the boy. And the boy got to say, alright Barney, here one. Keep our thing off the media. So he might try to make you know, say, you see, even if we can fuck or we are going to fuck, let us keep it off the media. Why you want to prove say you're the boy and that things all the while? Even if it not goes, him say keep
it off the media. He said the same thing to him since night. Me say the same thing since night.
It's common sense.
Tikki tell me if me a lie now.
No, after proof somebody say you're the boy, they can't keep it off the media. But you want to prove to mother, big one, Becky them in every comment section a laugh off for you. So you're the boy in a something.
Yeah.
Him said keep it off the media.
When you and him have that conversation?
Who?
You.
Me and him have a conversation about what?
When you say keep it off the media?
You don't have every screen card, you're blind ear to not see it.
No. And everything you
gonna read it.
And everything you go see.
Oh, the blood clot. They say you don't scroll the F. It's on the FYP.
Love
listen,
man,
I'm gonna tell you again.
You know you love blind.
Listen to me, I say no. I'm gonna tell you again. They say if you gonna argue, me I gonna move.
Me not argue, no me argue.
You come and you say you're a 22-year-old. You must have a conversation with someone without arguing.
Yeah. Guys, me argue. Me argue now. Me never know me argue now.
We're not argue. You don't have to raise a voice.
Me not argue. Me not talk low Rosa. You know that. You know some
on the FYP. He said that keep it off the media. You hear him telling in your face. So you gotta ask him when I see that. We gotta ask him so what kind of conversation me and him. Me and him have the conversation. Me just call him a while ago for tell him one thing.
So what?
Me not have to tell you that.
Me and him know in a nothing again. Me not like him. Me black him out from me.
If you ain't in a nothing Tikki, if you ain't in a nothing Tikki, they are all a fabulous boy in America.
None of them like me. Me and one of them
like you.
I'm the prettiest in America right now. In fact, you're the prettiest in the world. I'm that star up in the sky. He will never find one like me.
Why?
Me and one of them.
Why you think that?
Why would you find like you? Why am I going to find
feel? I'm that star up in the sky. I'm
Why?
that mountain.
May I ask you why I want to find somebody like you?
You're the world greatest.
You know, say one over the years, but one thing we know you're very mad. Something wrong with your brain. But anyway, you have a delusional state, but what anyway?
Me not have a delusional state. When boy tell me I hit me I work with. So when tell you hit your work with. Me can't say delusional, you know. Because I hit when tell you I work with. So why when tell me you can't work
tell
with.
me nothing, me not listen to him. What the boy tell you? Because
The boy tell me you love me Rose and me man.
Over
Tell me.
there tell the people them say, you're over there tell the people say him fucking him saying in your dreams. I would just ring down my phone.
Anything we want to say. If he want hold on,
Hold on. Oi. Hey, who this? But yes, now remember when I go shout.
Yeah, remember, me not shout. You don't know when me a shout, you don't know when me go to work.
I have to tie up shoes, whatever. No,
Listen to me, I hear me I say good. For what do you see? I told me not this is me not call back your phone, you know. For what do you see you going in a box and you come on to tikki name and join and you say you're obligated to go in any box as
I created you.
Because you bring me.
Yes. You remember the days when your page banner you say, best team, I go back on it page and come back as me click live add me. You remember them the days, but when I go back, when I put it in a memory lane.
Alright. So why you call me man phone?
Remember when I said bestie boy, the page girl with the 1200, you call me a ball. But carry on.
You help me get it back?
Eh?
You help me get it back?
Your page can't come back if your page upon account one and the bank money, or you gonna get it back. Van ask Vanny, them page and come back.
Can't come back. And me remember one girl did get back fear, but because she did have manager there on her page.
And you never have any, and I told you that already. Now that I tell you, you can't get it back.
You could have emailed TikTok till Gun Kingdom.
You're not getting it back. I told you that. But fair enough. Talk.
Listen to me now. You don't have a reason to text Chev, you know. For there you act Chev. Chev you are tikki there. You don't say Chev chat me, you don't say Chev don't want me. You don't know what Chev tell me, say Rose. You only say to your friend him when tell us
at the end of the day, I know what I'm telling you is action.
First triple team, first triple.
Huh?
I know what I'm telling you triple, I know what I'm telling you tikki and action.
I action to uno what about me action to me.
You want him lie down in that bed, listen. You want him lie down in that bed, listen. You want him lie down in that bed and your action shows that you are you are interested in him more than he always interested in you.
How me interested more when me and him lie down and him first touch me?
Because that's the way my show off here, but we never see say him touch of us. We are work on what Trev show. Trev make it look like him no want you touch him. Him not like you. Him no want nobody ask him if you not there. Him not.
Rosa make the man all cry.
Cry for? What am I cry for? Me not bring him down.
Why you calling phone? Come on, you know what I'm question.
We can ask my question. Somebody ask a question.
Rosalie. Rose. Them say Trev expose their number. I don't know.
Them nobody can leak anything. Not a problem.
Then I and Trev just attack my phone.
Can't leak anything. Level Rose, I can't leak anything. Anybody call me?
Who are these guys?
Well.
Rose shouldn't call the boy. Anybody will give Rose the boy number.
Hello? Oh, you're on the live. Okay. Block. You can't reach him, can't name a number. I won't change when you call me, I just block you. Simple. You can't do anything. 3 more roses.
You shouldn't call the boy number, that's just the truth.
Well, you don't call him already.
Rosalie, you can't beg your people then come send me one heart me, please. Rose.
Him can't
why get serious? So why didn't you Rosalie check
Rosalie. Can't beg your people them send me one heart me, please.
That take 5 for you. Me not have no people on the internet.
Me not make no crucify Chev my diner.
Nobody not crucified Trev, but what? He's a snake. I see him for who he is. And that's why I'm gonna say it now, I never said it before. That's why I'm have to rate Vanny, because Vanny show me our true colors. Him not hard to figure out, you know. Him not hard to figure out. Me see him for him, but go with the
women.
I don't know. Then your man. But see, my
And see who is that him. Me see who him is. That him are the best man in the world.
The best man in the world. Oh my
The
God.
prettiest, the most handsome, the most
Oh my
romantic,
God.
the most ambitious man in the world.
Oh my God.
Thank you, man.
I love
Thank
that for you, Tikki. Clap yourself, baby. Thank God.
Daddy,
I
thank
love
you,
that
baby.
for you.
Hello?
Oh.
Mama, thank you for the heart, me. Thank you, guys. Everybody who has sent heart, me. Thank you. Boy, Tikki.
No, not just no nothing.
So, guys, chat. Let's ask you a question. A Trev
No.
got the number for you. Trev exposed Rose number a while ago for you. Thank
the car come
you,
on?
please.
So if you was calling me, you must expose your number. Me not make no put you have a long clot, you know. Me have a time 10 toes done for him.
You can't do anything.
Thank you, Shana.
Why Rosalia calling phone?
Yeah, boy, why?
You can't do anything.
Yeah, why Rosa call over phone?
So if he calling phone, if
Me don't understand what's the word.
Hello?
Jamaica, thank you.
Who? Big up to mommy.
in this life, my child's are chibble.
Hey, the people that make comment to us tonight.
Vani me keep on TikTok gradation and I graduate too.
Yeah. The people that make a comment to us tonight. Thank you, guys. Rose, I forgot to turn off your phone.
No, I'm not turn off my phone, you know. I'm not turn off my blood clot phone.
Yo, if I one thing, me know the people that might go piss your blood clot.
I'm not turn off my phone. No, just
Yo.
dial back the number. Chat, dial back the number, yeah. 9295. Dial back the number, yeah. 929 529 3606. Dial it back for me, please.
Then can't go get you Rosalie.
Okay.
Only for WhatsApp and then delete WhatsApp. My cousin like you can't make you one wheel. Your sister give one wheel to them, you make you one.
Guys,
I make you one go post.
yo, if I want thing, me know them all piss Rosalie tonight. Then the phone and not to bring wait. They go and private that blood clot.
Guys, remember we have the chat. Remember say we are doing first to four
Why
Friday.
you stress me, man?
Let's
Because
do
you can't make you one go
one
post.
first to five Friday. One first to four
Me
Friday.
say, blam
Me,
them
Jaden,
live.
blam them,
Blam
and
them.
Damien.
Blam them text my
First to
phone.
four.
Rose. Guys,
Blam them.
blam them text my phone today. I tell me say, and me, him and Jaden and Damien I do the match. No more than they want me promote their match, you know. And I tell me if I make flyer, put it up. Go look.
So why was a Cali boy phone? Boy, I mean, no people still so.
My time. No,
Can I
7
hear-
my time to
so-
4 time.
My
Yeah,
girl,
I would have
you
10
comment the
blocks.
number over here for them. What you try to do? Why not comment numbers over this
My
side?
phone lock off too. That's right now.
Guys, me I go mute on you know. You can't.
The number can't call straight, and then can't call the number.
Me can text.
Rosalie, Tikki, don't please say you call Trev phone.
No.
Tikki, no please with it at all.
Nothing to do with me.
Guys, we need 4.
Are you alone at the hotel?
A different me have.
Yeah, man, I come over.
Thank you, Pumpkin.
Are you alone at the hotel?
Apple.
Yeah, me man, I come over.
Okay.
He have new man.
And I mean, if I got tell her, they got tell you, you're handsome, you're sweet, you love your life. They get
Guys, one Anna, Rose, you love people business still, you know.
me, I tell that.
Come on, guys, with a level now.
What is the business?
Come on in. Come on, team, with a
What is
level.
the business?
Oh God.
No, me ask that question, what is the business?
You know, if a girl and me not talk, me not going to
It's
them and them
answer.
business.
I lie, yeah,
If me not girl not talk, me not going to them and business. So what?
Where is your
Work
man?
together, team, ending in 4 days. Pumpkin.
Where your man there?
You not hear me? Me ask you what the problem. How your eye them look so?
Nobody will call me, not gonna get me neither.
You okay?
Thank you, Pumpkin. Tikki, we can't hear. We don't know, say you're delusional.
The moderator disconnect me. The big pussy moderator.
Oh
One
my
girl over
God.
the room, Kavi.
But we
Remember
not
say-
hear Trev. We not
Remember
hear
say
nobody
me-
answer you.
Remember say you
Who
give
give
me
the
a man number.
moderator your
you know.
powers?
You sure them
Remember
answer
you give me a man number, you forgot?
Me give me my number.
Yeah.
Starboy,
Remember me, I show the text on me,
I'm
you.
not for sure that you give
I
me.
was a blood clot moderator take me down both here, so.
Starboy.
Guys, no run
You can't go talk to Trev again.
Yes, so.
This so good moderator.
Them say Trev not the live
Talk to Trev
alive
again.
tell. Starboy, thank you.
Remember, say you give me a man
Because we
number.
laugh,
you forgot?
exactly.
Huh?
Thank you. Guys, remember to
I will
send
get it
RD.
because
If you send it already, it's
I will
okay.
get it if you pick up female, I'll take him back
Thank
anytime.
you.
Him end the life. Think you lie? Okay.
If you send a heart me already, it's fine. But if
No
you
one
want
has
to
to
send
know
a
you're
heart,
sure
send
that
a
people
heart
might
me
type
there.
it.
Them say him end him
Fire,
live.
man.
He's live. Starboy,
Then what is it?